Welcome to Steve's World UK. Today I'm in Kenya in Africa on my way to Nairobi. So today the Fairmont The Norfolk Hotel is part of my world. Now, according to the hotel information, you can uncover the blend of history and luxury at Fairmont The Norfolk, nestled along Harry Thuku Road, just 10 minutes from the airport. As Nairobi's most historic and luxurious hotel, you can immerse yourself in one of the most vibrant cities in the world. From city safari game drives and a thrilling nightlife to African fashion pop-up markets and historic city tours. So come with me and let's take a look. Now I've arrived at the hotel, and this is the main lobby and reception area, and at 120 years old, the Fairmont The Norfolk continues to offer luxury and exceptional experiences. You can choose from 125 richly appointed guest rooms and suites, including the elevated Fairmont Gold Experience. Enjoy in-room dining and jazz entertainment for an unforgettable 5-star stay at the hotel. So I'm going to explore the hotel facilities, including the lobby, reception area, lounge, bar, gardens, and the restaurants. Having checked out the main guest hotel areas, it is clear that there is a fantastic number of both food and beverage options that guests can enjoy here at this incredible hotel, and I'll be checking out Lord Delamere's restaurant a little bit later on. Now, this is the hotel's amazing courtyard. Look at this landscaping. So before I check out my room, let's take in this incredible garden. So having shown you most of the main facilities in the hotel, it's time to take a little trip down this corridor so I can take you on a complete room tour. So this is the room itself. I'm staying for one night and I've got a double bedded room for single occupancy. And as you can see, this is a room of considerable size. Look at the size of this. A large king size double bed and soft furnishings is the main focus of the bedroom, complete with an African print just hanging over the bed head. Off to the side is a bedside table complete with lamp, and additional storage space in a drawer. The light switch and additional USB sockets is behind the lamp. The bedside table is also replicated again on the left hand side, but comes with an additional automatic alarm clock, a telephone, a hotel notepad and pen, and a TV remote control listing all the channels. Also behind the lamp is the room light switches and a UK plug socket. Now on the king size double bed you will find a welcome pack from the hotel. This consists of a laundry bag, a shoe shine service, a breakfast menu and a sewing kit. In the corner of the room you will find a comfortable seating area with standard lamp, a two-seater plush sofa and complimentary petit fours and fresh flowers. Now this room does have a courtyard view, which I'll show you a little bit later on, but here's a quick tease. Now opposite the main seating area you will find a well lit corner complete with a mirror, a desk and chair, telephone and hotel information all in one large folder. Directly opposite the main bed is the flat screen TV and unit, and just underneath on the left hand side you have a fridge, and on the right hand side you have the tea and coffee making facilities and complimentary water. There's also a spare drawer and one with coasters and some glassware. The main wardrobe back to the entrance of the room is of considerable size. In here you can find an iron and ironing board, plenty of coat hangers, an umbrella, a hotel safe that's easy to operate, a hairdryer and slippers, as well as a shoehorn. All the rooms at the Fairmont have ensuite facilities. This particular room has a walk-in shower and a bath and a toilet. There is a crazy amount of quality towels and a dressing gown. Over at the main wash basin, you have additional complimentary water, tissues, fresh flowers, hand towels, and all the complimentary toiletries you could possibly wish for. The walk-in shower has a rainforest connector, and both the bath and the shower itself have a separate hose, as well as body wash, conditioner and shampoo. And just outside the bathroom you will find the controls for the heating and the air conditioning. Now with the room tour completely finished, there's only one final thing to show you, and that's the incredible view of the hotel courtyard. If you were impressed with the view of the courtyard in the daytime, then take a look at it at night. Having completely indulged myself in the room and freshened up, there's just enough time to check out the pool before dinner. Now I couldn't think of a better way than finishing my safari adventure than a farewell meal at the Lord Delamere restaurant. So after a fantastic night's sleep, who could resist getting up this early for another fantastic view of this amazing hotel courtyard before indulging in the hotel continental and hot buffet breakfast? The only question is, where do you start? So that's going to do it for today. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss out on great future content from Steve's World UK. Until next time, be safe, be good, be kind and be careful.
It takes 24 hours for the world to turn once, but only 2 seconds to like or subscribe to see great future content from Steve's World UK.